Hi, my name is Leonard. I'm a faculty member here at Kripalu, and today I'll be guiding you through a prana-based meditation. Swami Kripalu taught that yoga should balance two qualities: the quality of prana, or aliveness, the life force, and also chitta, the quality of awareness. Many people are familiar with chitta-based meditation practices that are really focused on keeping your attention on one thing in particular, like the breath or a mantra. Today we'll be exploring a prana-based meditation, which emphasizes feeling a little bit more than thinking. So first, find your way into some comfortable and stable sitting position, which could be on a cushion, you could be sitting in a chair, or any other comfortable position you may have in your house. You can bring your hands onto your thighs or even clasp your hands in front of you, whatever feels the most stable for your arms. Sit up nice and tall and relax your shoulders, relax your face, relax your belly. If it feels right to close your eyes, that's fine. If you prefer, you can keep your eyes at a soft gaze. In these first few moments, simply notice how much you can feel in your body. Noticing, feeling big sensations, but also aware of small, more subtle sensations. You might even imagine this body right here is made up of trillions of cells in this dance together. Now begin to feel the natural, steady rhythm of your breathing. And is there a difference between trying to focus on your breath and savoring, feeling your breath? Where in your body do you feel the breath the most? And as you breathe, are there any places in your body that might be able to relax, soften, and open? Continue to sit tall and relaxed as you deepen your breathing, inviting extra oxygen to inflate the lungs and encouraging your exhales to get very long and smooth, complete on the way out. Each inhale, deeper, deeper, deeper. And each exhale, longer and smoother. For the next few cycles, don't think about breathing. Rather, feel your body breathing. This next time you inhale, welcome some motion with the body and the breath. Inhaling, lifting the chest, arching the spine, even lifting your gaze up towards the ceiling. And then exhaling, tucking the chin, rounding the back, letting the breath be complete and smooth on the way out. So continue this simple rhythm, breath and body together. Inhale to open the front of the body, arching the spine. And exhale to round the spine, tucking the chin, tucking the tailbone. Again, long, smooth, complete breath out. As you follow this rhythm of body and breath, feel the whole range of this movement. Feel the whole length of the spine from the tip of the tailbone all the way up through the neck and the head. Feel the shoulders all the way down to the fingertips. And also feel how the movement of the spine is connected to the hips and the legs, even down to the ankles and the feet. Allow this movement to be customized for your body, which might mean making it faster or slower, bigger or smaller. And it's completely natural to have many other thoughts. Remember memories, hear sounds. As soon as you become aware, just reconnect with the feeling of your body and your breath in this state of motion. As you inhale, lengthen the spine once again and relax the face, the shoulders, and the belly. If your palms are down at the thighs, rotate the palms so they're facing up towards the ceiling and lift the hands about an inch or two above the thighs. Keep breathing deeply here and feel as much as you can in the shoulders, in the torso, in the belly. And continue that sense of feeling all the way down through the hands and the fingertips. Very slowly, as if no one could see you if they were looking from outside, begin to lift your hands up away from your thighs. See how slowly the hands can move. As you continue breathing and slowly lifting the hands, feel the space between the hands and the thighs. Feel the space between each hand. And once your hands get to about chest height, rotate the palms so they're facing each other. And in the same way as you lifted the hands, very slowly begin to move the hands towards each other. Keep breathing deeply, keep relaxing, and keep feeling the space in between each palm. You might notice a sense of energy or electricity between the hands. And play with the hands moving apart and close together. allow yourself to play with this ball of prana in between the hands, expanding, contracting, moving together and apart. And finally, rotate the palms now to face your own body. Once again, slowly moving the hands towards your own chest. Eventually, and taking your time, resting both hands right over the heart. You might imagine this sense of prana, life force, or aliveness circulating through the body. As you're ready, you can rest your hands back down on the top of your thighs. Take a few more deep breaths. And notice if anything rest your hands back down to your thighs. And notice, has anything changed or shifted after practicing this simple prana-based meditation? To transition, let your body move in any way that feels good. You can open and close the eyes a few times, and even look around the space that you're in. I hope you enjoyed this prana-based meditation, and please remember it when you're wanting it or needing it throughout your day to get out of your head and back in your body. Take care.